Ashkenazi, I know Yiddish.
Okay, great.
So, get it right.
We don't tolerate that. We don't tolerate
I can tell because you're just as fascist as the Antichrist.
Are you serious?
I'm the only motherfucking Christian.
the only dumbass here.
Who will debate with me?
I stand up for everybody's rights.
Instead of three people talking at once, who's your philosopher for your group? I'm with one person.
Well, what are you smoking crack?
Go by yourself.
Good example of don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs! Right there! Don't do drugs! Don't do drugs!
Don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs!
When I bring back the Berserker cult, we will bring back Jesus on our shoulders to speak the word of God and erase all you fake Christians.
He's not over here.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Let's go back. It's not out there.
He ain't on there.
DARPA, Iron Man suit. It will be my Berserker.
I was near Nazi. I was raised by a group of somebody like idolized.
You look more like a Catwoman to me.
You didn't explicitly say.
3 minutes? What am I doing?
We're just reaching supporters.
Is it a county? Is it a county?
Conservatives, we're all here. Francis Mary, nice to meet you.
I've been Francis. So Francis. I'm here to shake everybody's hand. You like shaking a good American's hand?